Remember Tony Stark's words?
I am Iron Man.
Well, in the realm of robotics, Tesla Optimus is poised to become the I am robot of our generation. A humanoid machine born from the minds of innovators, Optimus is more than just a piece of technology. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a glimpse into a future where machines could become our indispensable companions. Imagine a world where robots can perform tasks that were once exclusive to humans. From assembling cars to tending gardens, the possibilities are endless. Tesla Optimus, the brainchild of Elon Musk, is at the forefront of this revolution. Now, before you envision a robot army taking over the world, let's clarify. Optimus is not here to steal your jobs or start a robot uprising. It's designed to augment human capabilities and make our lives easier. So, what exactly is Optimus? It's a humanoid robot equipped with advanced artificial intelligence and cutting-edge hardware. Think of it as a real-life Iron Man suit, minus the superpowers, for now. Capabilities and potential. Optimus is more than just a machine. It's a platform for innovation. Its capabilities are vast, ranging from manufacturing tasks to personal assistance. Imagine a robot that can cook you dinner, clean your house, and even hold intelligent conversations. The potential of Optimus is limitless. It could revolutionize industries, from healthcare to agriculture. It could transform the way we live, work, and interact with technology. But the real question is, how close are we to seeing Optimus in our daily lives? Let's explore the challenges and the roadmap ahead. So when can we expect Optimus to become a part of our reality? The answer is, sooner than you might think. Tesla is committed to making Optimus a reality, and the progress they've made is nothing short of astonishing. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, the future of robotics looks brighter than ever. But what does the future hold for Optimus beyond its initial applications? Could it become a companion, a co-worker, or even a friend? To stay updated on the latest developments in robotics and technology, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Together, we'll witness the incredible journey of Tesla's Optimus robot.